In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. If Chrome has been slowing down your computer, making tabs feel heavy, or causing your system to use more memory than it should, this quick setting adjustment can really help. Chrome is designed to be fast and convenient, but when you have multiple tabs open, it can consume a lot of RAM in the background. The good news is that Chrome includes a built-in feature that helps reduce memory usage automatically. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main controls and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the main settings page, where you can customize how Chrome behaves and improve its overall performance. On the left-hand side, look for the Performance section and click it. If you do not see it right away, just take a moment to scroll through the menu until you find it. Inside the Performance settings, look for the Memory Saver option. Go ahead and toggle Memory Saver on. This feature is designed to free up memory from tabs you are not actively using, which can make Chrome run more smoothly and help your computer feel more responsive, especially if you tend to keep a lot of tabs open at once. After turning Memory Saver on, stay in this section and look for the setting that lets you choose how aggressively Chrome saves memory. Here, click Maximum. This tells Chrome to apply the strongest memory-saving behavior available, which is useful if high memory usage has been causing noticeable slowdowns. Once that is enabled, Chrome will begin managing inactive tabs more efficiently. In many cases, you should notice better performance during browsing, especially on systems with limited RAM or when multitasking with other applications. Keep in mind that inactive tabs may reload when you return to them, and that is normal because Chrome is releasing their memory to improve performance elsewhere. That is all you need to do. By opening Chrome, going into the three-dot menu, selecting Settings, opening Performance, turning on Memory Saver, and setting it to maximum, you can significantly reduce Chrome's memory usage with just a few clicks. If you are following along, make sure the setting stays enabled so Chrome can continue optimizing memory automatically in the background.